Alright everyone, welcome back to YK Recreation. In this video, we went out in the rain and the quad bike cut out on us and did not start. Happens it's a circuit breaker. We'll show you now where it is. That is in this packet here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is quickly take this front end off and then show you where the circuit breaker is, because these don't have fuses. Actually upgrading the old circuit breaker to the new style circuit breaker, where if you press the button you can reset it, but the one on it at the minute you cannot reset. This is a 12 volt 10 amp circuit breaker. So to get the front end off, you need a T30 star key, and it's literally one bolt inside there that you need to take off. The Polaris have made these pretty easy compared to Quadzillas and stuff, because you have to take the whole handlebars and everything, you have to take them ones off. And then you have two bolts at the bottom here. You have one there, we've already taken it out, and one on the other side. And then literally, if you stand back a bit, the whole front end comes off. Just need to unplug the headlight plugs. That's one headlight plug. That's the other headlight plug. Literally the whole front end comes off. So the circuit breakers are in here. You have two. You have one for your lights, horn, all electric bits, and then you have one for your ignition. So we're going to see which one needs changing. You can see these have already previously been chopped. And if you look inside here, it is a 12 volt 10 amp circuit breaker. This one doesn't look too bad. Let's check the one on this side. Oh my days, if you can see that, that is very rusted. This is the one that we need to change. Is that is in a proper state? It doesn't look like it's ever been changed as well. So it's in some sort of packaging, probably to keep it watertight, but these always mess up somewhere down the line. So we're going to be replacing this one with this one. We're going to go ahead, chop them wires. What we might do is test it first, see if this will work. So we'll go ahead and just temporarily connect this up, see if it works. So we've just put these on temporarily to see if it starts.
So
yeah. Yep, that's fine. So yeah, what happens is when the circuit does break, this pops off, and then you can just reset it. But this old type, there's no how to reset it. Look at the state on it, it was pretty rusted. From eBay, I think it was about 8 quid. So this is just telling you to press the button to reset a waterproof cap, which was an extra 2-3 quid. So without the waterproof cap, I think it does be cheaper, but this waterproof cap will keep it all watertight. 12 volt 24 volt 10 amp circuit breaker, that's what you want. Yep, ignition is off. So put this one in the top, use that in. Need to get this in there somehow. Let's see now if it fires up. Perfect. So just before we end the video, we're going to see where we can locate this when we put the cover on. So if you do need to press it to reset, we can press it. But that is the upgrade for the standard circuit breaker. So we've put the circuit breaker down here, so if anything does happen and we need to reset the circuit, just press that boop, and that's it. Off we go.
It's not a game, it's a